Hello and welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden, coming to you from the Florida Keys with an unboxing and in-depth review of Planterina. I was on my computer and I got an alert saying that Planterina had the Variegated Hoya Kentiana in stock. I recently purchased one but want a little larger one, so I decided to check out Planterina. For those of you who are not familiar with Planterina, they carry kind of common plants as well as some hard to find plants. This happens to be one of those plants. It's not rare by any stretch, but it is hard to find and it sells out quickly. Now, they usually offer plants in various sizes. Right now, all they have available in this particular plant is a size small. You also are given options as to which pot you would like your plant to be in when you receive it, from the black grow pot to ceramic pots of different colors. You will see here that there is a difference in price should you choose anything other than the black grow pot, which is nice if you're giving this as a gift or something like that, or you don't have pots at home. So all plants on this website are free priority mail shipping, which is always nice as well. Keep that in mind. Yes, the prices are a little higher, but they include free priority mail shipping. They have a care tab where you can look and get basic care instructions for the plant that you are purchasing. And under the details tab, you get the plant dimensions. They don't just give you the the pot size, they try to give you some indication of the size of the plant you'll get, as well as the dimensions of the pots. I really like that they try to give you some indication of the size of the plant. That is more helpful to me than just it comes in a 4-inch grow pot or something like that, which is the standard for nurseries. Under the picture of the plant, it gives you a very detailed description of the type of plant that you are purchasing, which is always helpful. I love websites that give you lots of information about your purchase. I went on up here, I purchased the small plant in the black grow pot, and it was $39. I love this website. They have nice clear pictures. They give you lots of details. They give you a lot of information about what you should expect from what you're purchasing from them. I don't know how they could possibly improve this website. Now on to the unboxing. You know when you receive Planterina mail, it's on the box. I get very happy when I see these boxes. I've purchased from them before and I have never been at all disappointed by the quality of the plants or the condition that the plant is in when it arrives. So I have high expectations for this plant. I ordered on Sunday and I received this plant on Wednesday. And they have changed their packaging. This is different. Look at that. Nice and neat. Love this. That was quick to get into. You do receive an invoice. It tells you what you purchased. It does not have the price on it, which works if you are purchasing this as a gift. I personally kind of like to have the price on my invoice because I keep them, but that's just a me thing. And this is the condition of the plant. They do have the stick in there to keep it from moving around in the box. There's a cardboard enclosure that keeps the soil in place as well as keeps the pot in place. Very neat. And then they have a little tag on here that tells you what to do with the plant once you receive it. So the information from this website just continues. I love a website that is also educating me about my plants. The box was very easy to get into. I didn't have to wrestle with a bunch of tape and stuff like that. This packaging is easy to open, very neat, no spilled soil at all. I don't see any dampness, any indications that this plant was soaked before it was sent out. And the leaves on this plant are sitting up like they have been in the store, like they have not been through the postal service at all. Now, you know that with this plant being in transit through the postal service, this box has been upside down and everything else. And I don't see not one piece of soil. This is perfectly packaged. Now the shredded paper, I love that it's eco-friendly. Everything in this packaging is recyclable. This shredded paper here is keeping the soil in place, but it is a little difficult to get unraveled here. So just a couple of snips of the scissors and I should be able to get the plant out. And this looks nice and healthy. Wow. Now with tax, this did come to $41. That's a little pricey, I do feel. But again, it did include priority shipping. So when you take the price of the priority shipping out, it was pretty reasonable for a variegated Kentiana. Look at that, nice and full. It already has some areas that look like they have begun to form trails. Nice color. I mean, all of the leaves are nice and firm. This plant is in perfect condition. I, again, am thrilled with my purchase from Planterina. So if you have been a little hesitant about purchasing from this website, I highly encourage it. I am not endorsed by them at all. I'm just a satisfied customer. And like I said, they do get plants in that are hard to find. I purchased a Linares from them. I was very pleased with that. I'm very pleased with this Kentiana. I purchased a Monstera from them, and all of them have come in perfect condition, just like this one. And here's the little card. It tells you the care needs for Hoyas. And on the flip side, it tells you what to do to get started once you have received your plant. So again, very helpful and much appreciated. And that's about it for my review of Planterina. I hope you found it helpful and useful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.